What's going on, everybody? We're going to talk about some vacuum lines today. First off, a lot of guys and girls out there already know vacuum lines go to everything. They go to your transmission. They go to your everything. They go to your motion, engine control, windshield wiper fluid. You name it, they go to anything. They can make your car quit changing gears. They can make it do a lot of things. So if you ever suspect a vacuum leak, then make it a first priority. And one of the main ways is listening for a hissing sound. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Okay, here we go with the engine running. I don't know if you can hear it, but over in this direction, I'm hearing a hissing sound. I already know that right back here is my culprit. Once you've found it, notice that these are hard plastic lines that go into a fitting as part of an assembly. Now, you're going to have trouble finding this, so what this video is about is how to fix this. It goes from a hard plastic line to this metal nipple back in here. Now to fix it, instead of trying to hunt down the hard plastic line, just go and get a hose that is the right inside diameter to fit around the outside of your hose and onto the nipple. And we're getting ready to do that right here in a second. Okay, here we go. I'm going to start off by putting it on this one that goes into my intake on the top. Then simply take the red hose I don't know if you can tell, but the better I get it on here, the quieter it gets. Okay, I've gotten it on there and it got quieter, but I don't know if you can hear it, but the hissing started increasing in a different spot. So now I need to run this broken off black plastic hose up to this using the same manner. Now, once you do that, just look around, listen for any hissing sounds. Another method is to use a cigar or cigarette, blow smoke through a vacuum line. Just pull it off, blow smoke through it, and watch for any smoke to come out anywhere. And that's the same effect you'll get of using a smoke machine, which is what a garage would use. So I hope this has been helpful. Just remember, if you have a hard, brittle plastic vacuum line, it can cause 1,000 different things with your engine to go wrong. So always fix your vacuum leaks. And this pack of vacuum line I bought here is going to fix probably the air conditioning that won't switch from the vents to the defroster and stuff like that. It's probably going to fix that. And I was having stalling in my transmission and hard shifting. I believe this is going to straighten that out too. And I offer a $3-4 package of vacuum hose. Well, I hope this has been helpful. Y'all have a great day. Later.